Okay, so here we have an Audi Q7. It's a 3.0 TDI. It's not reaching temperature even after 20-mile journeys. It's not going above 50 to 60 degrees. So we're going to change the thermostat, and we're going to show you a few tricks at the end of the video to get the temperature up. If you're having trouble with getting your temperature up, we're going to show you tricks that you can do to help the temperature get to where it should be. This is having problems with the DPF, and it's not regenerating because it's not ever reaching temperature on the short journeys. So we'll get started on it. Hello again, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's, and today we're looking at a Audi Q7 3 litre V6, and it's not reaching temperature, so we're going to change the thermostat. We're going to take this engine cover away, and the thermostat is down here. So it's going to be a little bit easier if we just get rid of this belt out of the way, and that will be on a tensioner just down here. Let's go down and have a look. Got the tensioner there. Let's see if we can see the fixing that the tensioner's on. Just there. And that's a T60 socket on there. One of these T60 sockets there. So we're going to get that connected onto it. So with that connected there, we're going to push it this way, and we're going to slip the belt off. So if we pull the ratchet that way, you can see the tensioner moves, and we can slip the belt off. So now we've done that, we've just slipped the belt off the top pulley, and it just removes it from the front of the housing here. And hopefully we can get these bolts out without any issues. They don't look in very good condition. Looks like these bolts are a T30. So I'm going to connect that up. That's your 3 bolts, and they're all out. Now we should just be able to wiggle this off. We might have to it's nice and loose. Just don't have to use any pry bars. And you can see the state of that there. I've just disconnected the 7mm Allen Jubilee clip. We'll just take this pipe off. So now we're just going to clean up all of this surface area around the front before we fit the new part. We're going to fill it up with some antifreeze. Now we'll just start the engine, let it run for a few minutes. It seems to have had some oil in here. Yeah, so there seems to have been some oil in the header tank at some point, but the coolant at the minute is clean, so I'll just advise him on that. Okay, so we're just going to run the car for a few minutes and see if we can get the temperature up. So before, this little notch here between the 50 and the 90, so about 60 degrees to 70 degrees, it wasn't going past there before. It was just under that notch. So we'll see if the thermostat replacement will let the temperature go up to 90 where it should be. This car has had a block DPF as well, which we've already done, and we figured out that that's the reason why it's blocked, because obviously the thermostat is not letting the engine get up to temperature to allow the regeneration to occur. It's taking its time to warm up, so what I've done is make sure all the heaters are down to minimum on the fans, and I've put the economy mode on, which turns off the aircon, which then will kill the fans, the engine fans. So there we have it, 90 degrees. So the thermostat was a good choice to pick. It would have either been the thermostat or the coolant temperature sensor would have been the next thing to look at, but yeah, that seems to have worked pretty much fine. So we couldn't get it above around, it was underneath that bottom line, so between 50 and 60 degrees, or 50 and 70, so It's no more than 62 degrees on my diagnostic computer. So that is it. 3.0 TDI thermostat. Temperature not reaching the limit, and we noticed that we had the engine running for 5 minutes and it was getting to about 80, but it would not go past that until we turned off the air conditioning, put it into the econ on the heater, which then immediately went up to 90 degrees. So if you're having problems reaching your temperature, make sure and do that, and we'll see you on the next video.